Hey, I heard that healthcare is free in Quebec. Is that true?
Well, it's not entirely free, but it's heavily subsidized by the government. So, in a way, you could say it's practically free for residents.
That sounds too good to be true. How does it work exactly?
Quebec has a public health care system called the Régie de l'Assurance Maladie du Québec (RAMQ). As a resident, you're automatically enrolled, and you'll receive a health insurance card. Most basic health care services, like doctor visits and hospital stays, are covered under this system.
So, what do you mean by not entirely free?
While many services are covered, there can still be some out-of-pocket expenses. For instance, prescription medications, dental care, and some specialized treatments might not be fully covered. It depends on your specific situation and what private insurance you have.
Are there any monthly premiums or fees?
Yes, there is a health care premium that residents are required to pay through their taxes. The amount varies based on your income, but it's relatively affordable for most people. Low-income individuals might not have to pay any premiums.
That doesn't sound too bad. Is the quality of care good in Quebec?
Generally, yes. Quebec has a well-regarded health care system, and residents have access to high-quality medical services. However, like any health care system, there can be challenges, such as wait times for certain specialized procedures.
What about non-residents or tourists? Do they have to pay for health care?
Non-residents and tourists typically need to have private health insurance to cover any health care expenses while in Quebec. The RAMQ doesn't cover them, except in emergencies.
It still sounds like a pretty good system overall.
It is. The Quebec health care system is designed to ensure that residents have access to necessary medical care without being burdened by high costs. It's one of the reasons many people appreciate living here.
Thanks for the information. It's good to know how it works.
You're welcome. If you ever move to Quebec or have more questions, don't hesitate to ask.